Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So without further ado, let's dive into today's word,
ぶっかけ
which means a Japanese dish typically consisting of noodles or rice topped with seasoned broth and various toppings. Let's say it all together.
ぶっかけ
One more time.
ぶっかけ
Now let's split the word into syllables and then pronounce each syllable one by one. B-U-K-K-A-K. Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.